Clau? Opo. Ako hindi po nakakita ng Clau. Ano yung tsura ng Clau?
Nagsimula ito August 10, 1996 nung may na-meet akong dalawang batang lansangan na sobrang sugatan, marumi, madungis, ibang klase yung appearance nila sa akin, ibang klase. So that moved my heart na by that time I'm searching for a call, I'm searching for anong purpose ko dito sa lupa. Then nung pinakita yung dalawang kids na yon, that struck my heart. So by that time I see, God, what do you want me to do with these kids? Then parang the impression is that feed them. So I have 20 pesos in my pocket. Then binili ko ng dalawang pop cola at saka 10 pesos Spanish bread. Hanggang ngayon, we feed children. So, nag-umpisa ako sa dalawa, naging 8, naging 15, naging 45, hanggang ngayon. Our mission is to be a channel of God's blessing to the poor, especially to the street children. So we are running 5 programs, and that program is Balik Loob sa Diyos, Balik Kalusugan, Balik Bahay, Balik Aral, at saka Balik Hanap Buhay. So we are now touching thousands and thousands lives of children that are needing help. So we are inviting people to be a channel of God's blessing, or if you have extra blessing, we encourage you to come and share that blessing to us. Children are needing homes. You know, we need to build more rooms for them. So donate a brick and be a channel of God's blessing. Let's build a home for the homeless children. Help He Cares. You can visit our website, www.hecaresfoundation.com. Then doon makikita nyo kung paano kayo makatulong sa amin, or you can visit our venue in number 9 Mine Street, Project 6, Quezon City. Yeah, be a channel, be a blessing to others. God bless.